Happy New Year. Well, Happy New Year Eve. This is Lois with For Me It Works. I mentioned in the previous video that I had a couple of hauls I wanted to do. So I'm trying to get these taken care of. So you see this purple container, this purple packaging. So you probably already know this is my polish pickup order from November. Um, Surprisingly, well, really not really surprisingly, everything I got was nail care related. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Let's see. Oh, this is tickets are available or go on sale for Polish and Beauty Expo in Chicago. They go on sale. They're already on sale because they went on sale December the 1st. It is in Chicago from the 15th to the 16th of July. One day I'm gonna make it there. Okay. And then what's this? Oh, it's my invoice. Okay. So as I said, everything I got was nail related. I only got 3 items. This first item, of course, is the KB Shimmer Sugar Scrub. And as I've said many times, I love peppermint. So this is the Peppermint Marshmallow Sugar Scrub. Oh, let's see. I'm sure this smells amazing. Okay. So I need something to open it with. Where is one of my... Oh, here we go. Cuticle Pusher. They come in handy for more than just pushing back your cuticles. Let's see. Come on. There we go. There we go. And let's see. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Peppermint and marshmallow. Yeah. Tonight's manicure will include this. It smells amazing. And KB Shimmer, I've had several of her sugar scrubs, and they've all been amazing. The next thing here is, I believe I bought another sugar scrub also. This is, let's see, can I get it open? Come on. This is I remember this is a brand I've never tried before. This is the Soapy Chef Winter Wonderland Manicure Scrub. Handmade soaps made with love by a real chef. Okay, so is this just a scrub or is it also, let's see, ingredients: granulated sugar, avocado oil, olive oil, BTMS 50, don't know what that is, Kalen's clay, honey powder, orange peel powder, fragrance oil, microcolorant, vitamin E oil, jojoba wax beads. Instructions to use: massage a small amount into your hand, slowly add warm water to create a lather. I thought so. Rinse, pat dry, and rub any remaining product into hands or into skin. Ooh, that sounds delicious. So let's see. And it comes with a little scoopy thing. Okay. My nose is slightly stuffy, so I'm not really getting any scent, but Winter Wonderland, if I remember the direction or the description, it had a mint of some sort in there, so I can't wait to give this a try as well. And then the third and final thing I got from my polish pickup order, again, this was my November polish pickup order. This was something I've seen these pretty much month over month on polish pickup, but I never ordered them. But I figured I just didn't want to order just 2 things, so I said let's find something else. So I picked up this. This is cuticle oil from let's see. Oh, these are cute. 4 little cuticle oils from Northern Star. Okay. Let's see. 'Tis the Season Scented Cuticle Oil Set. Polish pickup November 2022. Okay. Ingredients: jojoba oil, which is usually my initial desire for cuticle oil. So that's the #1 ingredient. Jojoba oil, avocado oil, green tea seed oil, and fragrance. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and phthalate-free. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, it's taped. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's see. There's one. This one is mint cupcake. Sweet peppermint with vanilla cupcake and marshmallow. Ooh, that sounds good. Sounds good. Let's see. Ooh, and they're roller balls. Oh yeah. I think it's a vanilla I can smell more so than anything else. So that's that one. And then this one is Winter Wishes. Vanilla sugar cookie, mulled citrus punch, and pine cones. Okay. Oh yeah, like that one too. Oh, these are cute though, because I'm loving the little roller balls. And then this one is gingerbread. Oh, hello. Brown sugar, molasses, vanilla caramel, candied citrus, and frosting. Yes, please. Oh, definitely I can smell the gingerbread. That smells really good. I like that one. And the only thing I don't like about these little mini sets like this is because you find one you really, really like and you want it in a larger size, and they're usually just seasonal. And the last one is Sugar Plum Dreams, Sweet and Sugary Winter Berries. Let's see. And this one, oh yeah, okay. That I can smell the berries in this one. This is the others have a more warm scent. This has a more fruity scent, but yeah, let's see. Oh, I like the viscosity. It's not a thin cuticle oil. Yeah, this is a more, oh, yeah, I like that. So I will be looking, their website is on here. Again, I've never purchased anything from Northern Star. I'm going to have to check out their website. It's Northern Star Polish at well, I'm sorry, that's their email address. But I will check out their website. Well, I see their email address on here, but I will definitely check out their website and look for more of their products come future polish pickups. But that is all from my November polish pickup. Again, I got the KB Shimmer Sugar Scrub and Peppermint Marshmallow. I got the Soapy Chef Winter Wonderland Manicure Scrub. And then I got the Northern Star, what again is this? Tis the Season Scented Cuticle Oil Set. What did you get? What have you gotten from the past? Was it November and December polish pickups? Let me know. Be interested to know. Because it's funny, it seems like more often than not, I get nail care products from Polish Pickup. I picked up, in the beginning, I was getting all nail polish, but then I started trying new brands new to me of cuticle or nail care products. So feel free to share with me below some of your favorite findings from Polish Pickup, especially some of your favorite brands, if you will, because again, oftentimes we try brands that we've never tried before through Polish Pickup. So again, grace, peace, joy, and blessing, and have a safe and happy new year.